Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 155 Fitzroy Road in Rivervale. This generous sized family home is on a block of over 600 square metres. It boasts 4 huge bedrooms plus an office space that opens out onto its own private courtyard. And we're only a few minutes away from the Wilson Park precinct and also the 935 to the city and the shops. So come on in and enjoy your tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 155 Fitzroy Road in Rivervale. As you can see, plenty of room to move on the inside, plenty of room to move on the outside, and a fantastic family home that won't break the budget. For more details about property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.